Okay, I just followed the rapids, which is a similar idea to what rolling rapids will bring you. In a moment, the cow passes, they walk away and show you what the cows look like. What kind of rolling rapids? There's one area which we dodged where people from the shore can spray those on the raft underneath them. They tried, but nope, the water didn't come anywhere close to our raft. They filled it. It actually felt nice. I got more around my skin than the rest of me. Yeah, arms are wet. A little bit wet in here. My legs got wet. I wouldn't mind lying this again. I got more wet from this than the log ride.
Over again?
If I come over here, so they just left the station back there. I'll go under the swig. And there's a river that goes over there. And you go into that forest you find. And believe it or not, it might sound crazy, but the name of this ride is Rapids. I thought that was just a Six Flags speech, but I guess not. It's still a field car, still same ride, Rapids. Here's the exact name of it. So we're not, Six Flags is not the only ones that cause this kind of wide rapids. The Cedar Field does it too. So with a couple of Cedar Field rides, and I just say this about Six Flags stores too, the fast pass lane or fast lane, whichever speech you say it by, is also known as the exit. I'm coming a lot of times go up the exit. Fast pass lane. This is also known as exit. It's not exit only, that's where we want the fast lane users to go. Before I turn off, I'll show you the entrance sign. Alright, end of this video.